Dear student, good morning. Now we study the topic enzymes. These are biological catalysts produced by living cells which catalyze the biochemical reaction in living organisms. Chemically, enzymes are naturally occurring simple or conjugate proteins. All enzymes are globular proteins. Some enzymes are non-proteins also. The enzymes differ from other types of catalyst in being highly selective and specific. The enzymes are generally named after the compounds or class of compounds upon which they work. For common examples, for enzymes maltase reaction catalyst, they convert glucose and glucose, lactose glucose and galactose. So the enzymes are known as lactase. Amylase convert starch into glucose, number of glucose. Invertase converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. So in a display you have seen the various types of enzymes are considered. What are the chemical reaction they complete? So first the next part is properties of enzymes. They high efficiency means increase the speed of reaction up to 10 million times or compared to the uncatalyzed reactions. This is because the enzymes reduces the magnitude of activation energy. Second, extremely small quantities. Millionth of a mole can increase the rate of reaction by factors of 10 to the power 3 to 10 to the power 6. Means a very small quantity can increase the very much higher rate of reaction. Third one, specificity. Highly specific nature. Every biochemical reaction is controlled by its own specific enzymes. Example, maltase catalyze hydrolysis of maltase. They convert onto the nuclease enzymes DNA into RNA. Fourth one, optimum temperature and pH. Active all moderate temperature about 37 degrees centigrade the perfect temperature and pH around 7. Control of activity of enzymes controlled by various mechanisms and are inhibited by various organic and inorganic molecules. So the activity of most enzymes is closely regulated. Student, the next topic are coenzymes. In some cases, most active enzymes are associated with some known protein components required to their activity. These are called prosthetic group. Prosthetic group, which is covalently attached with the enzyme's molecule, is known as cofactor. The prosthetic group which get attached to the enzymes at the time of reaction are known as coenzymes. These are generally metal ions: zinc, magnesium, manganese, iron, copper, cobalt, molybdenum, potassium, sodium, or small organic molecules. Coenzymes are derived from vitamins such as thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, etc. Some which are known as enzyme inhibitors. In some cases, the enzyme's activity can be reduced or inhibited by the presence of certain compounds. Means coenzymes are help to the enzymes and enzyme inhibitors block the work of enzymes. So student, the next part is mechanism enzyme catalyzed reaction. It's very clearly every enzyme is perfect to do in each biochemical reaction. So enzymes are provide the surface, the substrate bind to the surface of enzymes, which is known as active site. When the complex is formed, enzyme substrate complex, they become broken into the product which is known as enzyme product, and after their biochemical reaction is complete and the product is made. So these mechanism is complete in a 2 3 steps. Binding of enzymes to substrate form a complex E plus S, it forms to ES. Product formation in the complex when enzyme substrate forms to enzyme product. And third step and last step, when release of product from the enzymes product complex, enzyme product complex become into the enzyme and product. So the specificity of fitting together at the substrate structure and the enzymes structure may be compared as a key fitting into a lock. It is known as key fitting into a lock model. Application of enzymes. Enzymes deficiencies and prevention of diseases. Deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes causes a congenital disease, phenylketonuria, body which result into severe brain damage and retardation in children. It prevents by diet with low phenylalanine content. It means deficiency of enzyme cause severe disease. Deficiency of tyrosinase cause albinism. Melanin, a pigment which gives color to the skin or hair, is not produced. Therefore, the persons and animals suffering from white skin hair. Curing disease. Certain enzymes are also used for treating heart diseases. An enzyme streptokinase is used to dissolve blood clot to prevent heart attacks. And third one, applications in industrial application. In breweries for the manufacture of beer, wine, etc. by the fermentation of carbohydrates. Food processing industries for preparing sweet syrup, etc. and production of cheese of coagulation of milk. So students, the enzymes has many applications and many serious disease is caused by the enzymes if they have not formed in a body. Students, next big topic is hormones. Hormones are chemical substances which are produced in the ductless glands in the body. These are carried to different parts of the body by the blood streams and the control various body functions because of the action of hormones as communication among cells. They are called chemical messengers. So we can divide the hormones in the three types. First one, steroid hormones contain a steroid nucleus which is based on a four-ring network consisting of three cyclohexane rings and one cyclopentane ring. These are mostly secreted by testes and adrenal cortex of males and are called sex hormones or adrenal cortex hormones. Example, testosterone, dihydrotestosterone, androgens. Second category is proteins or polypeptide hormones contain a number of peptide chains. Example, oxytocin, vasopressin, insulin. They are considered as polypeptide hormones. Third category is amine hormones, water soluble compounds which have amino group and are structurally derived from amino acids, adenylene, thyroxine. These are types of amine hormones. So student, some typical hormones if you have seen on the display, we have studied in this. First one is the sex hormones, testosterone secreted by, these are considered as steroid hormones category. Testes are secreted to it. These are regulates the development and normal functioning of male sex organs. Second, hormones in estrogens secreted by ovary control the development and normal functioning of female sex organs. Then progesterone, corpus luteum is secreted to it, control the development and maintenance of pregnancy. And in this, corpus luteum also secrete another hormones which is known as adrenal cortex hormones. Fourth hormones is cortisone. They are secreted by adrenal cortex, regulate the metabolism of fats, proteins and carbohydrates, control the balance, water and mineral in body. Students, second category is peptide hormones, oxytocin. They are secreted by posterior pituitary gland, control the contraction of the uterus after childbirth and release milk from the mammary glands. Vasopressin, another type of hormones secreted by pituitary glands, control the reabsorption of water in the kidneys. Seventh hormone is insulin, secreted by pancreas, control the metabolism of glucose, maintains glucose level in the blood. Third big category which is known as amine hormones, hormone number 7, adrenaline or epinephrine secreted by adrenal medulla, increase pulse rate and controls blood pressure. It releases glucose from liver, glycogen and fatty acids from fats in emergency. Next, thyroxine gland. Thyroid gland, thyroxine hormones is secreted by thyroid gland, control the metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. Student, next big topic is vitamins. Organic compounds which cannot be produced by the body and must be supplied in small amounts in diet to perform specific biological functions for the normal health, growth and maintenance of body. These are essential to us for the proper functioning of different organs. And second, A vitamins. Multiple deficiency caused by lack of more than one vitamins are more common in human beings. Means deficiency of vitamin can cause disease. Student, the vitamins get divided into the two category. Means classification of vitamin. The first one is a water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B group, B complex, which is known. Vitamin C, stored in such lesser amount in the cells, they must be supplied regularly in diet because they are readily excreted in urine and cannot be stored except vitamin B12 in our body. Second category, student, is fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Liver cells are rich in fat soluble vitamins. So student, fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. Liver cells are rich in fat soluble vitamins. A category which is known as hypervitaminosis. Excess intake of these vitamins, vitamin H, biotin, is neither soluble in water nor in fats. Means they are not soluble in a water and not soluble in a fats. So, in a display in a tabular form, you have seen the category of a vitamin. First, vitamin A, which is chemical name is retinol. Bright eye vitamin is the trivial name of this. Deficiency of this causes xerophthalmia or hardening of cornea of eye, night blindness. Sources of vitamins we have seen on display: cod liver oil, shark liver oil, carrot, rice. Second, B complex family, vitamin B1, chemical name is thiamine, beriberi, loss of appetite, retarded growth, disease of nervous system is caused by deficiency of this. B2, chemical name is riboflavin, deficiency of this cause glossitis, dark red tongue, dermatitis and chelosis, fishing of corners of mouth and lips. B4, vitamin B4, chemical name is niacin, deficiency cause skin and mental health. Vitamin B6, chemical name is pyridoxine, deficiency of this cause dermatitis and convulsions. B12, cyanobalamin, deficiency of this cause Pernicious anemia, means RBC's deficiency in hemoglobin or inflammation of tongue and mouth. These are symptoms of this. Student, vitamin C, it's a water soluble vitamin. The chemical name is ascorbic acid. Deficiency of this cause scurvy, bleeding of gums, pyorrhea, bone deformitis in children. Vitamin D, chemical name is orgocalciferol. Deficiency of this cause rickets, bone deformitis in children, and osteomalacia, means soft bone and joints pain in the adult. Vitamin E, chemical name is tocopherol. This is known as sterility, means reproductive power is lapse. Vitamin K, phyloquinone, hemophilia, hemorrhagic conditions, increased blood clotting times. Vitamin H, which is chemical name is biotin. Deficiency of this cause dermatitis, loss of hair and paralysis. Vitamin Q10, which is known as coenzymes, low order of immunity of body against many disease. These are the deficiency cause. So student, the many times the ask what are the difference between hormones and vitamins. Hormones, these are chemical substances which are produced in the ductless gland in the body, but vitamins, these are not produced in the body except vitamin D, but have to be supplied in diet and are essential for proper functioning of the different organisms. Students, second big difference is these are not stored in the body but are continuously produced in a hormones. But in a vitamins, these may be stored in the body to fight out disease. Student, thank you very much. We meet in the next segment.